Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your The5ers account to MetaTrader 5 and how you can log in using the credentials. So first of all, you need to come here on the5ers.com. Over here, you just have to simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Now, when you log in into your account, you are going to see the My Programs section, which is going to basically show you all of the accounts that you have with The5ers. So you need to simply select that particular account which you want to connect with MetaTrader 5. After clicking on that account, you are going to see this type of dashboard. So over here, you just have to click on this particular key icon. As soon as you click on this particular key icon, you are going to see your MT5 login credentials. That includes the username and the login password. So you need to simply just copy these details. Then you need to come here on MetaTrader 5 website. Now over here, you can also follow the same steps inside your MT5 application on your phone. So you need to simply just launch that. Then in the server section, you just have to simply first of all add the server which will be provided here inside this particular section of your dashboard. After entering the server first, you need to provide the login ID and the password and simply click on the option of connect to account. So this way your The5ers account is going to be launched inside your MT5 and now you can start using it inside it. So if this video helped you understand this, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.